So I'm here with Carolyn, and we're going to adjust her upper back. A lot of people don't know that you can adjust the upper back in the chair. It's definitely a more challenging adjustment. So the neck ends right here. We can go down here. We're going to lean back a little bit, Miss Carolyn. We're going to breathe in nice and deep. And we head all the way over.
Oh, that was good. Woo!
Response is a blessing. When the upper back is subluxated like that, people feel trapped in their neck and upper back. They want to crawl out of their skin. You know what that feels like? Yeah. That was an amazing movement. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's what we call dialed in.